Everyone, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you have wrote the MMPC 14 and MMPC 8 subjects exam. I hope it was easy for you as many of the questions were from the previous year question papers. Many of the questions we have discussed in the videos. So I hope it is easy. So today I am going to give you the previous year questions, uh, papers, major questions that have been asked in last few years. So hopefully that in the coming exam also IGNOU would be asking the previous year questions. So okay, so today I will discuss the most repeated questions from previous year papers, important units and topics that have been appeared multiple times from 2022 to 2025. So this analysis will help you to focus on high scoring areas and prepare effectively before your exam. Yeah. So let's get started. So the first section is plan layout. So let's start with one of the most important topics, plan layout. So questions from layout have appeared repeatedly in recent examination. So you should prepare for meanings and objectives of planned layout, types of planned layout, process layout. What's the difference between process layout and cellular layout? And the next one is strategic importance of the plan layout and the layout problems also. So if you want the detailed video discussing the answers of these questions also, please do comment below. Also please do share this video with your colleagues and your class students so they can also refer this. Also remember why plan layout is considered a strategic decision, because this question was asked recently, okay, multiple times. So very important comparison is cellular layout versus planned layout. Sorry, cellular layout versus process layout. So this is very important. Make sure that you study it. And the next topic is capacity planning and forecasting. So this is very important. Another highly important unit is capacity planning. You should study what is capacity planning process, capacity plans, capacity forecasting, demand forecasting methods. So forecasting methods have been asked multiple times. Make sure you understand what is long-term forecasting, medium-term forecasting, okay, and the capacity requirement for forecasting, economic and risk analysis in capacity plan. So the next important topic is production system. So here you can see the questions that have been asked from the capacity planning, its requirements and all. So please do refer it, okay. And the next topic is production system. So this is one of the easiest and most frequently asked question. So prepare thoroughly what is mass production, batch production, job production, flow production. This is very easy to understand. So make sure you just at least read and go before the exam. So next one is continuous production, intermittent production. So very important questions include mass production advantages and disadvantages. As you can see, it has been asked in June 2022 and to December 2022 to June 2023. Look, it has been multiple times it has been asked the same question. Okay, so make sure that you prepare for the advantages and disadvantages of the mass production, the difference between batch production advantages and disadvantages, difference between uh, yeah, between mass and batch production, and also the features of the job production. So these questions are very repeatedly appearing in exams. So we can hope that these questions would be there in the June 2026 MBA MMPC 009 question paper. Okay, the next topic is value engineering. So this is a very short video, maybe for 10 minutes or 11 minutes. That's why I am rapidly rounding up the important topics. So if you need a detailed video with the answers, as you have like 4 or 5 more days to study for the MMPC 009 exam, as it is on the 8th of the June. So today is only 3rd of the June. So you have time to study. So make sure you score high marks. So the next topic is value engineering. So value engineering is another favorite topic of IGNOU. So important areas include meaning of value engineering, process of value engineering, benefits of value engineering, and yeah, behavioral aspects and organizational aspects, difference between value engineering and cost reduction. So also you should also prepare for FAST technique, FAST technique, which stands for function analysis system technique. Okay, FAST technique is important. You should yeah, you can see here the questions that have been asked from FAST technique. Also the concept, process of value engineering, everything has been asked over here. The next important topic is inventory management and codification, or inventory management and classification. So prepare for the meaning of inventory, functions of inventory, inventory control. These are very easy to understand. Make sure you learn it. Okay. The next thing is slow morning inventory, exchange curve or optimal policy curve. Make sure you know the graph, and if you can draw the graph, it would be very helpful for you, as you will get extra marks for it. Along with the inventory prepare codification. Okay, codification. So what is the codification? What are the objectives of codification, systems of codification, and bridge system? So these also you must learn what is codification. Okay. The next thing is inventory management, and highly important topic. Uh, So in inventory management, you have to study what is inventory, what is functions of inventory, inventory control, slow moving items, inventory policies, exchange curve. These are the things that you need to focus. Okay. Next one is project management. So in project management is another high priority unit. So you should prepare for PERT, PERT, CPM, time management of projects, and network planning techniques. What are the different network planning techniques? Okay. So a commonly asked question is that when should PERT be used instead of CPM? So that you should note down, and also revise the difference between the PERT and CPM. Okay. The next important topic is waste management and material management. Students often ignore this unit, but questions are asked frequently from this topic. So you should look at what is waste management, what is resource management, how can we identify waste, identification of waste, wastivity and productivity, materials management, classification of materials. Okay. And yeah, and the next topic is product design and purchases. So also focus on what is the product design, product selection, product redesign, CAD CAD applications. So as I said, I'm just concluding this video very fastly, because it's a very short, rapid discussion video on important topics only. So you can refer this before attending the exams or after your whole revision. As I said, there is 4 more days, which is very much plenty for time for the IGNOU exams. So make sure you refer these topics before going to exam. Okay. And the next important topic is purchasing and vendor management in MMPC 9. So uh, for purchasing study, you should focus on purchasing function, purchasing requisition, vendor evaluation and rating. So these topics are important for long answer questions. Okay. And the next final one is like facility location and locational analysis. Actually, like 3 times it has been asked on short note. Like short note questions when asked, this is a very important topic. What is facility location? What is location decision? One about basis we fix the location, and location break even analysis. Okay. So most repeated and highly important topics are plan layout, capacity planning, and forecasting, production systems, which are like mass, batch, and job flow. So value engineering, what is value engineering? Inventory management, codification, what is codification? Objectives of codification, and what is PERT and CPM? What is the major difference between both of them, and when we will use PERT and when we use CPM? And the next one is waste management, product design, and product selection, and the next one is facility location. So I hope this video helped you to identify the most important topics for MMPC 009, management of machines and materials. So if you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow IGNOU MBA students. So comment below which IGNOU MBA subject you would like to cover next. So also you should mention how was your MMPC 008 and MMPC 014 financial management and information system. How was your exam? Was it easy? Were there previous year questions asked? So thank you for watching and all the best for your exams. Okay. So if you want the detailed discussion video of these topics, please do comment below. And if there is like any problems that need to be discussed specifically, that also you mention. Okay.